go. Another eel. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Chomp. Oh, wait a minute. I got a big pile. I think I won.
Can we play again?
30.
Please. One more time, please.
Bad shot.
You ate the same card. It's because you're like.
All right, take those
It's
back.
like that.
Take those back. I just took your bad shot one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Bad shot by me.
Abby, you chomped me, so you can chomp any card. Chomp.
Yeah, I think Abby is good on that one.
Abby, what did you do? Abby, how can you eat me?
Okay, so Abby's good.
Abby can eat me.
Well, she said no feeding frenzy, doesn't matter what they are, as long as you slap another player's card and say feeding frenzy. But you slapped your own. You get to slap someone else's card.
Is that bad?
No.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Feeding frenzy.
Alright, it's between Josiah and Abby.
Put your hand down. 1, 2, 3. Chomp!
You don't have to go quick on 2 people, because it's just whatever card is higher wins.
I have the lowest.
I know, so you couldn't win, no matter how fast you were. Ready? 1.
Who's that baby?
Gabriel. 1.
Who's that baby
2,
in the
3, go.
window?
Chomp!
Who's that baby?
Jump.
Here. Yeah, I didn't even touch it.
Who's the baby in the window? Who's the baby in the window?
I still have
Ready?
a bunch of bad cards.
1, 2, 3, go. Josiah gets them all. Ooh, a shark.
Hey, wasn't that a bad chomp? No. I said
Don't
chomp.
worry about it. We don't do a bad shot on feeding frenzy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Chomp! Chomp. I can eat everything with Josiah. Chompy chomp.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Chomp.
Ink out.
I just touched you.
Ready? Oh, a seal. 1, 2, 3, go.
Chomp.
Yep.
Yeah, you could have chomped me.
I could have.
1.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Josiah.
Let me shuffle my card. You get on.
1, 2, 3, go.